Are you planning to buy this camera at gusto nyo malaman kung worth it ba? Then this video is for you. Hello, it's your girl Tyra and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, so this camera is available in two colors, Arctic White and Midnight Black. For the storage, may dalawa kayong pagpipilian. 64GB and 128GB. Yung pinili ko, 128GB. What's in the box? Documentation like the user guide and warranty card, Type-C charging cable, action pod, the camera itself, and of course, camera accessories. First accessory ay itong pivot stand. This part is actually magnetic at yung likod ng Insta360 GO 3S camera, it's magnetic as well. So as you can see, ayan, this pivot stand, you can use it in many ways. So pwede ganyan lang siya by itself. Pwede mo siya ipatong sa flat surface as like a mini tripod, and then you can adjust yung angle ng camera. Also, pwede mo siya i-attach sa tripod. Yung action pod, may magnet din here sa ilalim. So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung action pod with the pivot stand. And alam nyo ba, yung pivot stand, it comes with a sticky base as well. So, pwede nyo siya idikit to any flat, clean surface. Second accessory that you will get ay itong magnet pendant. So, kwintas siya that you can wear and you can also adjust yung haba ng kwintas. So, here sa taas, pwede mo siya iksian at pwede mo rin siya habaan according to your preference. And with this magnet pendant, pwede kayo makapag-take ng mga cool POV shots. And the third accessory that you will get ay itong easy clip. So, this part of the easy clip is magnetic as well. So, pwede nyo ilagay dito yung Insta360 GO 3S. Tapos, pwede mo siya i-clip sa cap. At hindi lang sa cap, for example, sa strap ng bags mo, pwede mo rin to i-clip. So, another thing that you could do is using the magnet pendant. Pwede nyo idikit yung easy clip dito sa magnet pendant natin. And you can adjust the angle of the camera. Now, let's talk about the camera itself. So, yung Insta360 GO 3S, it can shoot 4K up to 30 frames per second. So, malinaw yon, and it's really amazing for a small camera like this. Alam nyo ba, this is the smallest 4K camera na meron ako. You can shoot 4K both vertical and horizontal. Another thing that I really like about this camera is how small it is. Sobrang liit lang niya. Ito yung thumb ko for size comparison. And dahil maliit siya, tapos magnetic yung likod niya, you can stick it to almost anywhere, and it's so easy na lang to get really creative shots with this camera. Tapos kung mahiyain din kayo, shy vlogger, at nahihiya kayo mag-film outside kasi 'di ba madaming tao. So with this camera, pwede na kayo maging low-key, hindi mahalata ng people na nagfi-film, nagbo-vlog pala kayo. Sobrang gaan lang din ng camera. This camera is waterproof up to 10 meters. So kung gusto nyo gamitin ito sa beach or sa pool, pwedeng-pwede kasi it's waterproof up to 10 meters. Yung camera lang mismo yung waterproof ha, hindi waterproof yung action pod. So make sure to remove the camera from the action pod kapag babasain nyo. Next thing that I really like about this camera ay yung flow state stabilization niya. Para siyang may built-in gimbal, hindi shaky yung video. So kung mahilig kayo sa action shots, like gusto nyo gamitin itong camera for your sports, or habang nagbabike, nagmamotor, tumatakbo, okay na okay ito. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry na magiging shaky yung video dahil meron siyang flow state stabilization. I really like the action pod as well. So itong camera, pwede mo siya gamitin by itself, pero pwede mo rin siya gamitin with the action pod. So kung gusto mo talaga yung vlogging camera feels, pwede mo siya gamitin with the action pod dahil meron siyang flip-in screen. The action pod is really useful, especially kung solo shooter ka at gusto mo makita yung sarili mo while filming to make sure na maayos yung angle, nasa frame ka and everything. Now let's do the vlog test. Hi guys! So andito na ako sa salon, nagpapagupit ng hair. U-cut lang yung pinapagupit ko all the time. Hi guys! Tapos na ako magpagupit ng buhok. At yung medyo maingay dito, so let me know na lang what you think sa audio ng Insta360 GO 3S. Pero yeah, super daming tao ngayon dito sa SM kasi it's a Sunday. So ngayon, ang next agenda, pipick upin ko na yung eyeglasses na pinagawa ko. So let's go! So, na-pick up ko na yung eyeglasses na pinagawa ko. Pinalagyan ko ng tint para magmukha siyang sunglasses. Pero meron tong grado. 275 too. Kasi malabo yung mata ko, tsaka may astigmatism ako. Genki Sushi! Kakain na ako dito sa Genki Sushi and it's been a long time. Siguro pre-pandemic pa yung last time na kumain ako sa Genki Sushi. So I'm really excited at nagka-crave talaga ako ng sushi. Nakapili na ako and i-go na natin. Okay. Kompleto na yung order ko. So, ito yung ebi tempura hand roll. Ang sarap. Tapos, ito naman yung kanikama and spicy salmon. Tapos na ako kumain. Sobrang busog. Overall, I really like the Insta360 GO 3S. I'm happy with this camera at marirecommend ko to for people na mahilig din sa small cameras. Tapos, kung shy vloggers kayo, gusto nyo low-key lang, this is good. And also, kung mahilig kayo mag-take ng mga unique shots, mga creative shots, this is perfect for you. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo manood. Kung meron kayong question, just comment down below na replyan ko yung questions nyo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!